Nothing like a sunny day to inspire more solar panels going up on the house here. These are leftover from Greenland. They're like obsolete panels because of upgrades to our weather stations on ice. Discarded, no longer needed. I was like, hey, let me use these. So lucky me to get these solar panels for free. Well, this morning's project was installing these morning sun facing panels. I've got now the family's charging up their USB devices off of solar because there's a battery inside for that. And so that's what, 2, 4, 6, 7 panels here. And I've got more what I call the Franken solar set up here on the workshop. So that was 7, 9, 11, 13, 14 panels in service. So these guys are, as you can see, an assortment of panels that were discarded, no longer needed, available. Lucky me. I'm also asking my colleagues, do they have any batteries that are not needed? And so these are discarded batteries from Greenland, and they had been out in service. One of them, I can show you the panel, the box, you can see 2010, right? So I could put these, kind of 14-year-old batteries into service, keep them in service. I've got more batteries coming. So I just feel so lucky and inspired on a sunny day like this to turn some e-waste into free electricity. Have a nice day.